In this video, we will be backing up a WordPress website. I'll show you in 1 minute. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Then go to Plugins, then add New. Search for WP Vivid. Make sure you download specifically this one. Install and activate it. Now it should automatically bring you to this page, but if it doesn't, press this on the side. Make sure your settings here are exactly the same as mine. Then press Backup now. This is a blank website, so it took a couple seconds, but for you it might take a couple minutes. Now scroll down in there, you have your backup. If you want to, you can download it, and you can also restore that as well. Now that's it for this tutorial. Subscribe if it helped.